we were picked up around 2 o'clock from the resort, and now the time is 10 minutes over 1, so we have been up for a long time, but now we're on the speedboat and we are heading for Koh Mak. So this is the speedboat we are on. You feel okay?
Okay, well.
That's good. Soon we can check in.
Yes.
Oh, I'm looking forward to it.
I'm looking forward to take a shot.
Me too. Like we're reaching the island Koh Mak now. That was a nice boat ride. But now we just got to find a resort as well. But we got picked up by a little bus or a car, so now we're heading for the resort. Oops.
If you get it right the first time, then you know you got it. Anytime you want it, babe, all you gotta do is make it hot. And then you know you got my body locked. If you get it right the first time, then you know you got it. Anytime you want it, babe, all you gotta do is make it hot.
Koh Mak Resort. And look at the view, I will film more later. Oh my god, this is fantastic. And we've been for so long trip now, so I just want to take a bath. I want to find a room first. I hope it is that one, but I don't know. Oh, honey bunny, we cannot forget the bag. We must pick up the bag also.
But they can pick up later.
Ah, no, but everybody else too. Take it, honey man. No, it's not heavy. It's you weak. You take the paper, I take this one.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my god, so heavy. Now we checked in and now we're looking for our room, B5. At Koh Mak Resort. Ba-bam! The first impression, or what do you say, is amazing. Oh my god, I really want to take a bath. Oh, and you see that island, honey? This one we're gonna go to someday. Koh Mak. My eyes are fucked up.
Get this one. Get this one.
Huh?
You could get this
So
one.
this one is ours. Huh?
It's correct.
No, B2. B2, is that a... No, B5, B5. But that's a good one, right?
Yes, normally you can hold this one.
Yeah, this one. No, this is... No, this is good, honey, man. Take the keys. Oh my god. So we've been traveling since 2 o'clock last night. And now the time is...
Huh.
3:30. So it's been long journey. But finally we're here. It was great. We see the ocean there. And we see the ocean there. And the bed is there. And they put flowers for us. Not that big, I hope
Now
they
they
have.
have the mini mart here and they mart they close 2 o'clock, 20 o'clock. Breakfast start from 7:13 until 9:13.
That's good, I really hope they have bacon, otherwise I will... And the bathroom, yeah. Nothing special in here either. Shower. My biggest fear is a snake in the toilet. I saw a picture of a snake in a toilet, and even since I saw that picture, I'm always afraid of snake in the toilet. Extra pillow, safety box, yes, good. This is the coffee I was talking about. Good. No. No. So the view is nothing to complain about. And yeah, we got some shadow here also. That's good. When we get too warm, we can go in and sit in the shadow. Yes, I end this now so I can go in and enjoy it. Me and Anne have been sleeping for more than 2 hours.
How is possible?
How is it possible?
Crazy tired.
Yes, we lay down in bed and we said, oh, we're just gonna rest for a couple of minutes. Both of us were feeling a bit tired. And I woke up 2 hours later. Oops. We feel happy about everything. It looks really good here. We are discussing a little bit our air conditioning. If we don't know if it's working or not. It's blowing cold air, but still the room the temperature in the room don't go down so much. So it's still feeling warm. Now we're heading for the restaurant. Both of us are hungry. So. Oh my god! Look at the coconut. One dinner later. I would just take it easy tonight. I eat pad thai and she eats
Spaghetti seafood.
spaghetti seafood. Now we sit by the ocean and just look. Ah, life is good. Wow. And put the key to the man in the reception and said some, hey, she did some complaint about the air condition and they said they were going to look at it. I don't know if they looked at it already or if they're going to do it later, I'm not sure. He only said that he wanted a key and that he was going to call the repairman. Oh my god. Oh my god, she's so cute. She always has so funny ideas. So yes, I'm gonna jump up here so you can take a picture.
Have coconut inside. So,
Same. No. Oh. Same. They checked the air conditioner already. They say there was nothing wrong with it. They say that the couple that lived in our bungalow before us made some mistake with the remote control, and they put the
too much low degree.
Yeah, they put it down too much, right?
Yes.
So that means that we should only put it on. We should not try to put it down to 16 degrees or something. Yeah, okay. Baby, show me a sign.
Come on. End of my life.
Ooh. Oh my god! Which bungalow was house? I already forgot. That's cute. Okay.
Look at that. What is that? What is that?
What is what?
Palm. We went to cool.
Ah, yeah. Some kind of fruit. Ah, yeah. What is that? Some kind of fruit.
Mark.
A what?
Name is Mark.
Mark.
That's
Mark,
mean
Mark.
they call Koh Mak.
Koh Mak.
Yes, this is
Aha.
Mark.
Ooh, can we eat it? No answer.
Oh, I have a feeling now.
That's good, honey bunny.